Hi, I'm editing a video, and before I get to the video part, I just wanted to make a little announcement. I apologize first. If you hear pigs, they live in the bathroom because they're little, or Land Before Time because Hasten's watching TV. But we launched a merch store with Bonfire, and I'll have it down here in the bottom. I set them at base prices as low as I could get them for any amount that's sold, but we launched a merch store. So if you feel like you need to wear a Lazy Sea Homestead shirt, we've got one for you. And when this campaign is over, there should be a new design ready to print. So thank you guys for all of your support you give us. We love you, and here's the video. Good morning, guys. Today I'm setting up something. I purchased this light. It's a 24-inch LED grow light from Walmart for about $13, I think. And I cleared off this shelf. Now this shelf here was what I started seeds on last year. It had to migrate to my kitchen because I bought a pressure canner and things like that. So I just had to have room. And I have 6 vintage mixers, so. But ignore that part. I am going to use this shelf right here for my starts. I'm not planning on starting a whole lot this year, enough that I can share, but definitely not, the whole shebang again. And Haston can't reach this shelf, and he can't reach this shelf. So if I get another one, I'm going to clear this shelf off too. But yeah, so I store all of my seeds and my seed starting stuff up here. And then I'm going to start seeds on this shelf. So what I'm going to do is devise a neat plan. It has, let's see, these clips to go underneath it. And although it's nice, you can't move it up and down on the shelf. So I'm going to fix something. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm doing is pretty simple. I'm actually going to mount the little brackets onto these 2 little scrap pieces of wood. And I'm going to attach these cup hooks to it and cup hooks to the shelf. And I've got 2 lengths of chain that are about 10 inches long. And I'm going to use them to raise and lower the grow light. So, see if I can do this without a drill because Matt broke my drill. So the top part here, I'm going to actually put it in one of these spots here. And I'm probably going to put it on the outside. Hopefully. These are probably going to be slightly difficult. Alright, you see I got this one in there. Took some finagling. My drill, it's busted. So, yeah. That was a lot of work and a lot of bad words to get this thing into the shelf. Pretty sure it'll work. And having it hung with the chain will make it a whole lot easier. What is it, Bubba? There it is, guys. It swings. I can turn it on. Isn't that just lovely? Now it has its downfalls. I mean, it is just a single bar, but you can take this cap off right here on the end and expand it. They do sell one that has 2 lights in it. It's probably about 5 inches wide, and it's around $25. So for 13 bucks, can't really complain too much. It'll work for what it is. It's my first year to ever use a grow light, so we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon. God bless.